Hi, Rich Mews here. Just been to see a property in Camden, a two-bedroom property that an investor is selling. I thought actually I was going to Camden Grange. He's got one there, but I couldn't get the keys for that for today. He's got three to sell in total. The landlord just lives abroad. They've stood empty for 2 years. Here we are in the living room. Tested for damp. It's okay in here. Mainly decor in here. Obviously we've got this tenant ready. The hole in the door, I'll be putting a new, or advised to put a new door on there. They're not expensive. Into another room, so it is spacious, and you see here, I always test for damp under the windows. If you're going to get dampness anywhere, you bet your life it's under the window. And sure enough, this is the only place in the house that's got a reading, so in an old house like that, that's not too bad. That can easily be rectified because everywhere else is okay. Into the kitchen, and well, the units are okay, they're acceptable. I've seen a lot worse. The decor's a bit horrible, but there is room for plumbing for automatic washer, cooker. So not too bad from that point of view. Obviously decor work. It's all laminate flooring downstairs, not the best quality, but you know, it will suffice. Now you can see up here, this will need paint, but whoever's painted it last hasn't been pretty good at it. The greys all over the white, all over the light switch. But imagine if this is painted white, like new white grey, it'll really brighten the room up. And the ever used rubbish in the backyard. It needs the gate repairing. So I'm going to take a trip upstairs. And this is where the smell is more profound of animals living here, especially the dog. It smells like a dog. Into the little bedroom. See, and always have a look if you can. Flat roofs, because all these have got extensions. Now that flat roof looks okay actually, and there's no signs of any leaks in the kitchen, so that's something else I want to watch. Something else I always take a photo of the boiler, and that one looks pretty decent compared to some I see, so that's okay. Again, very bad decor with the painting, but the decor is neither here nor there. Doors are okay. Into the main bedroom, I must admit the smell is, again, decor, wants new carpets in, wants a deep clean. I'm going to go into the bathroom, and they do choose some colours. Now you can see that in the top, you probably think, oh that's damp. I've tested that, it's not damp. In most cases, when it's at the top in a bathroom, many people turn the hot water on full belt with a lot of steam and condensation, and that causes mold, so it's not a damp problem. But actually, this is not too bad. If it was refloored and repainted a bright colour, you wouldn't recognise this room. So that's not a massive job. And then, but believe it or not, there's a third room. I'm not going to go right up, but I'm just going to climb so far up the ladder, and that's the loft space. You can hope you can see it. Can't really class this as a bedroom, more as an office. It has the means of escape window. It looks like it needs some work on it. But again, it's not too bad, more of a utility room I would say. I wouldn't class it as a bedroom. And that's generally it. It's trying to work out a refurb cost to do it properly. We're talking probably carpets, and this is going off the top of my head. I think we're talking probably about £1,500 to do it nicely for somebody. We've got to remember that it's false economy to do these properties on a cheapy basis. Tenants want somewhere nice to live. You wouldn't live yourself in somewhere that wasn't nice. So you can see the living room, it's quite good. So it wants doing up to a nice standard, and the trouble we have as well is that there's not many properties for tenants to choose from. So you might do this up to a poorer standard, just right, slap some paint on, I'll do this, it'll be alright, I'll clean the carpet. And then, you know, it's going to be void. And in fact, you've wasted your money. It needs doing properly with some nice carpets and let properly, and you'll find that you'll get a better class of tenant, and you'll have a nicer property to let it, more demand for it. So this one is better than I thought it would be. I've got to go and see one of the sister ones in the Eldon area on Friday, hopefully, and I'll report back to you on that. Told that needs a lot more, but pleasantly surprised with this one. So if you want to look at the other ones and all the videos we've done, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Quite interesting how many good videos we've got on there, and I'll come back hopefully with the next video, the next property. See you soon.